Hello and welcome to another Easify video. In this brief video, I'm going to show you how you can send a screenshot via email to Easify support so that we can assist you to resolve a technical problem. Now, this isn't something you do just because you can, but if you contact us with a problem, we might ask you to send us a screenshot of the problem, and in this video, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so if you need to email us a screenshot, let's say you've got a problem with Easify, or you've got a question and you need some advice, you need some tech support. So let's go to Easify Pro and load that up first. And let's say during our tech support discussion, we send a few emails back and forwards. We might say, okay, well, can you send us a screenshot of, say, your product options tab, the product info tab in your Easify options. So you can go to your options and you can go to products and product info. And let's say we've asked you for a screenshot of this particular window. It could be anything. It could be an error that's popped up. This is just an example we're going to use here. So what you do is you get the screen how you want it. And then to take the screen capture, the easiest way to do that in Windows 10 is you go and click on the Windows Start button, or you can press the Windows key on the keyboard. And then you type in snip, S-N-I-P. And the snipping tool appears. Click on that and a little window pops up. And then what you can do is just click on the new button, the new snip. And just left click and hold with the mouse and drag over the region you want to do the screen capture of, and let go, and there you go, you've got a screen capture. So then what you can do in the snipping tool, if you need to, is you can select a pen and you can circle things if you need to and draw arrows, or you could write on here. If you say you had a surface with a pen, you could write text on here as well. You can click on the highlight tool and you can highlight things to draw our attention to them if you wanted to. And when you're ready to send us the screenshot, you just go to the copy button here, click on copy. And then you go to your email software, whichever software you use, and we'll create a new email. And we'll address that to support@easify.co.uk. And we'll title it, or we'll give it a subject imaginatively enough of screenshot. And we'll say, hi there. And then hold Control, press V. That pastes the screenshot into the email. And from there, we'll say thanks, and we'll click on send. And there you go, we're done. If you have any questions about this video, then please feel free to leave them in the comments below, or you can email us, support@easify.co.uk. In the meantime, I hope you found this video useful, and until next time, thanks for watching.